my goodness, look at all those colors, guys. So let me show you how I made this oven baked fried rice, guys. So here I have some spring onion and some finely chopped red bell peppers, and I also have some sausages, shrimps, salt, turmeric, finely diced carrots, very beautiful, and I have some ginger, garlic, and some bouillon cubes. Next I have some green bell pepper, green beans, and finely chopped chili pepper. And here I have some sweet corn as well. So next I have some chicken breast coated with some salt and soya spice. The soya spice is hot, it's peppery, it's basically pepper that has been sweetened with some groundnut, but you can use regular red pepper if you have that one, if that's what you have. Next I have some chopped green spring onions, the green part of a spring onion for some colors, guys. And here I have long grain basmati rice already washed and drained. So let's get into the cooking. So you want to toss the washed rice into a baking dish. Ensure you use a dish that wouldn't crack while baking. After that, I sprinkled my turmeric on it, my salt, my ginger and my garlic, and then the bouillon cubes as well as the pepper. And then I added some water just to cover the rice. You don't need too much water to cook the rice, all you need is steam. So I added just enough water, a little bit above the rice, and then I covered this with some foil paper. Guys, I don't waste things in my house, this is used foil paper. So yeah, I'll bake this in my oven at 200 degrees for 40 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like. So while the rice is baking, I'll prepare the next set of ingredients. So I added some vegetable oil and my chicken and fried it up until it was golden brown, beautiful like this. And I fried the sausages and the shrimps off camera. So next I added my chopped onions, the white part of the spring onions. And then I stir fried this until it became translucent. After that I added my green bell peppers and my green beans, and then I stir fried this for about 1 minute, and then I added my diced carrots, just mixed everything up. Added the red bell pepper and combined everything together to look beautiful like this. Next up I added my sweet corn. Guys, you can see the colors, the burst of colors, it's so beautiful, guys, and the aroma in my kitchen was amazing. Next up I added my sausages and my shrimps and my chicken and my spring onions. The colors amazing. So I just combined everything up and set it aside. So now my rice is fully cooked. I can't wait to show you what it looks like. My goodness, I'm anxious. I was anxious at this point. So yay, this is the look. After baking for 40 minutes, this is what the rice looks like, guys. It's so beautiful. So next I fluffed it with a fork. Guys, you need to do this so that the rice mixes well. So after that I poured in the vegetables and then I mixed everything up, and basically this is all you need to do to bake special fried rice in your oven. This is the final look. It's so beautiful, guys. If you got to this point, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.